Make a jumping game in Scratch. So let me show you how it works firstly. So I'm going to take it to full screen, and now I'm going to click on this green flag. I need to press the space key to jump. Sorry. And I need to jump whenever the crystal comes. And the background is also moving right here. It is a moving background. And my screen and my score is also increasing. And in case I do not jump, everything stops because now I'm out, the game is over. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Right, so firstly you need to click on this button right here, and you can choose a sprite from the Sprite Library. When you will click on that and that plus button, you will be taken to a screen like this. It will be loading, and from here you can take anything. You can also go to different categories, or you can search for anything. So I'm going to go back, and same way you can take the obstacle. You can choose your obstacle, your player, and background I will tell you later. So firstly let us focus on jumping. So here I have taken this when space key pressed block from the events, and then I have taken this start sound pop. Means whenever you will jump, then the pop sound will be played. So you can take this start sound pop block from here, from the sounds category. You can also record a new sound. You can click on this arrow, or just click right here, and then you can click on record, and then you need to go to control, and then you need to take this repeat 10 times block, place it right here, and then change this 10 to 7, and then you need to go to motion. You need to scroll down and take this change y by 10 block. So here what will happen that whenever you will press the space key, then it will change its y by 10. Means y is the distance from the top to the bottom, and x is from right to left, or left to right, you can say. Right. So whenever you will press the space key, then it will change the sprite's y by 10, and then take this wait 1 seconds block from the control only. Wait 1 seconds, this is right here. Cause if we will not take this block, then it will be very fast, and it will come down when the means this crystal has not gone only, and when it is right here, then only the means our hedgehog, our player, will come down. So then it will not be easy to play this game. Means it will become very very hard. So take this wait 1 seconds block right here, and then you can take this repeat 7 times block again right here, and then do not forget to add this minus before 10, because right here on the top side it is just the normal number, and when you reach towards the bottom, then it becomes less than 0. So less than 0 comes in negative form. So negative numbers will be there. So changes 10 to minus 10. So see this, whenever I press the space key, it is jumping. It is working very smoothly also. So I have added sound also. You won't be able to hear it right now, but I've added sound. And then the score I will tell you later how to add it. And you can add a starting position for your sprite. This is very important. Otherwise, the sprite will get stuck in the air only. And then when you will play it again, then it will be there only and it will start jumping from there only. That is why this is very important. So give a starting position to your sprite. Take this when green flag click block from the events, and then go to X and Y positions. You can take this from the motion. Right here you can see this block in the motion section. Go to X and Y, and then means it will be very easy for you if you use this method instead of trying out that which position it should be by writing different numbers right here. So you can just take your sprite at a position which you want to be the starting position, and then you can see that it automatically changes. Like I take this, I drag my sprite right here and place it right here. Then you can see that it has updated. It updates automatically. And then this crystal, when green flag is clicked, you know from where this is taken, from the events. Now you need to go to control and take this wait until block from here and place it right here under the when green flag clicked. Then it will start waiting. Wait until means it will be waiting until it is touching hedgehog. Means hedgehog is the name of my sprite actually, of my player. So you can take this touching hedgehog and this question mark, that block from the sensing, and place it inside. See, right here there is some space right here. You can place this touching hedgehog block from there, and then again you need to go to control, and then you need to scroll down, and you will see this stop all block. You need to drag this stop all block and place it right here. Because now you can see that there's no that means there's something like this bump type of thing right here, and you attach the sprite to it. So here there's nothing such as that, means you cannot attach another sprite to it. You can just attach, I mean not sprite, I mean the block. You cannot attach the block right here, cause means this area is not bumpy, right? So you can take this when green flag click block again from the events, cause we cannot attach any more blocks right here. So you will take that, so you will take the same event and add the rest of the blocks right here. So when green flag click block from there, and then in control section you will see this forever loop. This is a loop. This forever and repeat, they are loops. Means loops start repeating something, like repeat the repeat loops the repeat loop repeats things by a specific number. Like you have entered 10 right here, then it will repeat the code which you have written in it only 10 times. If you have written 11, then it will repeat it 11 times. If you have written 17, it will repeat it 17 times. And in this forever loop, it means when it starts repeating, then starts repeating it forever. It doesn't stop once it starts repeating. You cannot give it a specific value like 17, 18, 10, 20. You cannot give that. It will continue that forever. So you need to take this forever loop, place it right here, and then no other block can be inserted right here only because this is plain right here. You can take this, go to X and Y block again. Means take your crystal right here. Means we want a crystal to start from here, from this side of the screen, and glide till this side of the screen. So whenever a game starts, you will want that your sprite should automatically go to this place and start moving from here. So take this, go to X and Y block from the motions area, and then again from the motions area only, you can take one of these new blocks. This is glide 1 seconds to X and Y. So you can take this block, and if you take it to 1 seconds only, then means it will be way too fast. A character won't be so fast now. It is coming down, and then only the means the obstacle our sprite has means our player has just jumped up and it is coming down. It is right here in the middle of the air only, and the sprite has reached right here. It will be so fast. So we don't want that to happen. So that is why take it a bit slow. And you can take that from here, so we know that it is starting from here. Now from where shall it go? Means till where shall it go? So you can again take it to the place till where it should go, and then you can see that this has automatically changed. You can take this block and place it right here. Now I'm going to tell you how to add the score. So go back to your hedgehog, I mean your player, and then go to variables. Right, so it stores a value, and means it stores it it stores values, variables. You can also change the values. You can set the values. So click on make a variable and then write there score and take it to for all sprites only, and then take this checkbox also. If it is already ticked, then it is fine. Then you can take this set score to 0 inside this when green flag click block, because you want the score to be 0 in the starting only. Like you had played this game one time and then your score had changed to 17, and then you start the game again and it should continue from 17. You won't means you don't want that to happen. So take this block, set score to 0 and place it right here. And then every time the space key is pressed and it jumps, it completes its jump, then only our score should change by 2. You can enter 3, 4, 1, whatever number you want from which your score should change. So this is how we add the score. Now I'm going to tell you about the backdrop. So you can click on this. Do not click on this, just move your mouse on this, and then you will see a list of options right here. Click on this brush tool, means this paint option, and then when you will click on it, then you will be taken to a blank screen. Just a minute. You will be taken to a blank screen. You can draw your background right here. So here actually I have not drawn this. I've taken this from one of the backgrounds, from one of the backdrops right here. Now you will be thinking, how will I take a backdrop and place it as a sprite? So you can actually do that very easily. Just click on this, choose your backdrop, and you will be redirected to this screen. And then choose any backdrop, whichever backdrop you want. Whichever backdrop, any backdrop you can take. You can also choose an option under which the backdrops will appear. Like you will choose fantasy, then fantasy type of wallpapers will only appear. And you can also search for it. So I have taken colorful city is the name of my backdrop. And once you have selected it, and once you have selected your backdrop right here, then you can just take it to this mouse pointer, not this one. Take it to this one. Now click on your backdrop and click on copy. And then after clicking on copy, like I said, go to paint, and then right there the space option will be there. Just click on it and everything will be fine. Means your backdrop will become a sprite then. And then there's some coding for a backdrop also. So you want a backdrop to keep on moving forever. So firstly, we want our backdrop to go to 0, 0, means in the center of the screen our backdrop should be. And then inside this forever loop, change x by -5. So means its x position, from here to here, from right to left, that is the x. So its x will be changed by -5. And then inside a forever loop, this will be there. Change x by -5, you can take it from motions, and if then block you can take from control right here. If then block, it is right here. And then if x position is smaller than -460. So see, when means a backdrop will move and it will get stuck right here. So you don't want that to happen actually. So you take this smaller than block from the operators. This is the block. You can just drag it and take it right here, and then this X position you can again take it from the motion. It is means you can find it at the bottommost, like it will be at the third last or the second last block in the motions area. And then you can take this go to X and Y block from the motion again. Go to 465 and Y should be 0. And then create a duplicate of this, like this is a background. And then when you can right click on it and click on duplicate, then all the code and everything will be duplicated. So I'm going to show you again that how it is working. I'm going to take it to full screen, and now I'm going to click on run. You can see that a backdrop has started moving. Oh sorry, it had to stop all block now, so I hit the crystal. That is why everything has stopped. Let me start it again. So you can see right here that our backdrop is moving. It is moving continuously. My score is now 10. Now 12 means it is increasing by 2. Every time I'm jumping, my score is increasing. And the crystal is also moving, means it is coming and coming and coming. It is not stopping. My score is now 26 right here. You can stop your game by clicking on this red shape, and you can start it again by clicking on this green flag. And then you can take your project to full screen by clicking on this button with the four arrows pointing outwards. You can also rename your game by clicking on this square, and you can enter your game's name. I've entered it as jumping game. And then you can save it by clicking on file, then click on save now, and it will be saved it. Right, so this was how we make a jumping game in Scratch. Thank you.